You need a video. Sora for the hero shot, Kling for the B-roll, Veo for the dialogue. 3 subscriptions, 3 workflows before you even open a timeline. What if you didn't have to pick? This is Higgsfield, the studio that runs every major video model under one roof. 15 different video models launched this year, each with its own strengths, each on its own platform. Jumping between them burns time, money, and your creative rhythm. Higgsfield pulls them together. Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 3, Seedance 2, Wan 2.6, all on one subscription. Pick the right tool for each shot right inside one workspace. Then there's Cinema Studio, an AI director with real optical physics. Choose your camera body, pick a lens, set a focal length. Frame your shot the way a real cinematographer would. 70+ cinematic presets, 21:9 aspect ratio. The cinematic look on demand. Every model shows up with its own strengths. Sora for realism, Veo for dialogue, Kling for character consistency, Seedance for speed, Nano Banana Pro for 4K stills, Seedream for style. Higgsfield routes your prompt to the right engine, or lets you pick. Build a character once. Keep them consistent across every shot. Soul ID lets you create a digital stand-in that holds its face, its style, and its vibe through an entire series. Then make them talk. Higgsfield Speak is lip sync that actually works. Drop in audio, it matches mouth shapes frame by frame. Dialogue scenes from a single still. For ad creatives, paste a product URL. Higgsfield builds a full marketing video from it.
Different formats, different aspect ratios, same brand. Minutes, not days. Don't want to direct? Pick a preset. Music video, cinematic trailer, glitch, dolly zoom. One click, the look is locked. Starter, $15 a month. Plus, $39. Ultra, $99. Credits scale with the tier. Unlimited generations on the faster models, every plan. Creators use it to ship daily shorts. Marketers ship ads in an afternoon. Indie filmmakers build entire series on a budget that used to barely cover coffee. Start at higgsfield.ai, your whole video stack in one tab. That's Higgsfield. I'm Mo Ginger. Subscribe if you want more AI tooling breakdowns like this.